how to request your account info on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to request your account info on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in top, and then click settings, and here you will find this one, account, and then just click this one, request account info, and here you will find here you can request it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.